Your company may have thousands of devices deployed across the world. All of them work perfectly. But sometimes, one or a few start having problems. Users get frustrated. Support requests increase. Fixing the issue isn't simple. You may need to send a technician on site or ship the device back for inspection. This takes time, increases costs, and interrupts normal operation. But what if you could avoid all of this? No shipping devices back, no waiting for on-site inspections, no unnecessary downtime or increasing support costs. Update Factory from Kynetics solves this with its remote debugging feature, allowing product teams to securely investigate deployed Android devices remotely from anywhere. When a device in the field begins to behave unexpectedly, engineers can securely enable a remote debugging session for that specific unit directly from Update Factory. A temporary protected endpoint is automatically generated, allowing standard Android debugging tools to securely connect to the remote device. Once the secure connection is established, product teams can begin investigating the device remotely in real time. Engineers can remotely view and interact with the device exactly as it appears in the real world. Collect live Android logs to identify errors, inspect system properties and device configuration, analyze Android system behavior and application activity, and generate complete diagnostic reports for deeper troubleshooting, all without physically accessing the hardware. The remote debugging feature of Update Factory helps product teams remotely investigate deployed Android devices, accelerate troubleshooting, and reduce operational costs. Contact us to learn more about remote debugging and request a free trial to start managing your device fleet remotely.